Hi, I am Latarani HM, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Kernagra. In this session, we discuss about the construction of analytic function. Means, we have to write f of z is equal to u plus iv from the given real part or imaginary part. How to construct the analytic function by using the single part. Okay. Here we have two methods. One method is we already discussed in the previous session. Suppose u is given, then u is a harmonic function, then we find the harmonic conjugate. Okay, that harmonic conjugate is nothing but v. After finding v, how to find a v? By using the total derivatives formula. Total derivative of v is dv is equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. By using that formula, we are find the v value. Here u is given, and then by using given data, we find the v variable. Then f of z is u plus iv. This is called a analytic function. This is the method 1. See, suppose u is a harmonic function, and if v is a harmonic conjugate of u, then the harmonic conjugate v together with the harmonic function u form analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv. So this is the formation of the analytic function. Here analytic function is nothing but u plus iv. In this session they given only one part, that is u or v. By using that part we find other part v, then substitute we get analytic function. This is the one method. One more method is there, that is Milne-Thomson method. By using Milne-Thomson method, we construct the analytic function. What is Milne-Thomson method? Milne-Thomson method means just we substitute or we replace x by z and y by 0. Now in this section we discuss about this Milne-Thomson method. First problem, prove that u is equal to x square minus y square plus x plus 1 is a harmonic, and find analytic functions whose real part is u. See here, u is given, u is a harmonic function. By using this harmonic, we find the analytic function. What is analytic function? F of z is equal to u plus iv. So how to find out f of z value? Here we have the two methods. One is the previous class already shown. Here also I write the I find out the v value and then write the f of z. See here, first part or first method. First consider the given u is equal to x square minus y square plus x plus 1. Here we show that it is in a harmonic function. It is in a harmonic function means we prove that dou squared u by dou x square plus dou squared u by dou y square is equal to 0. Means apply differentiation for u with respect to x and also y twice. Okay. Dou u by dou x is equal to, what is dou u by dou x? 2x minus 0 plus 1 plus 0, because y square is in a constant, its value is 0. Therefore get dou u by dou x is equal to 2x plus 1. And what is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is a minus 2y, because others are variable of x. This is treated as constant. Again, dou squared u by dou x square is equal to, again differentiate this with respect to x, we get 2 plus 0, that is 2. Now differentiate this with respect to y, we get dou squared u by dou y square is equal to minus 2. Adding this 2, we get dou squared u by dou x square plus dou squared u by dou y square is equal to 0. Hence u is a harmonic function. Let v be a harmonic conjugate. Let v be a harmonic conjugate of u. Hence by the derivative of total derivative, dv is equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. Now by the CR equations, dou v by dou x can be written as, what is dou v by dou x? Dou v by dou x is a minus dou u by dou y. and dou v by dou y can be written as dou u by dou x. Substitute the value. Dou u by dou y is a minus 2y, that is plus 2y into dx plus what is dou u by dou x? 2x plus 1 into dy. Now integrate this. Integrate. Here m is 2y, means dx coefficient is in a m, dy coefficient is in a 2x plus 1. Now apply the integration. What is the integration by exact method? It is nothing but v is equal to integration of m dx. In m, y as I treated as constant plus integration of n dy. Here terms of n not containing x variable. Now substitute m and n value according to the conditions. Integration of 2y into dx plus, here what is n? N is a 2x plus 1. In this n, x terms, n does not contain x term, therefore this term has a 0, remaining is 1 into dy. Apply the integration. Integration of 2y is, here 2y is a constant, integration of 2y with respect to x is 2xy plus integration of dy is in a y plus integration constant c. This is the one method, this is the value of v. This is the value of v. Now u is already given. Now write the f of z. F of z is equal to what? U plus iv. U is x square minus y square plus x plus 1 plus I into, what is v? This is the v. 2xy plus y plus c. That is x square minus y square plus x plus 1. Remove the factors. 2ixy plus iy plus ic. That is nothing but, see here, x square plus 2xy into I plus y minus y square can be written as iy square. So first term, second term and fifth term can be written as x plus iy whole square. Next plus x plus iy, we group like that because x plus iy represent z. Therefore we write like that, x plus iy. Remaining is 1 plus I into c. Now x plus iy is a z. Z square plus z plus 1 plus ic. What is 1? 1 is in a constant. I is nothing but square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is nothing but, again it is a constant. C is a integration constant. Therefore I into c again constant. 1 plus ic. It is a constant that can be taken as c1. This is the construction of analytic function by using the given part. Here given part is in a u. For this u we find the conjugate part and then we substitute. One more method is there, that is called as a Milne-Thomson method. Compared to first part, this method is very easiest method. Now see here how to apply the Milne-Thomson method. Let us consider f of z is equal to u plus iv is a analytic function. U plus iv is analytic means what? F dash z is exist. What is f dash z formula? Dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Here which is the given part? U is a given part. Therefore express this imaginary part in terms of real part by using what? By using CR equation. What is dou v by dou x? Dou v by dou x is a minus dou u by dou y. Now substitute the value of dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y values. After that, after finding f dash z, what is here f dash z? F dash z is equal to 2x plus 1 plus I into 2y. Now apply the Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method means what? Replace x by z and y by 0. Where x is there, in the place of x we put z value, in the place of y we put in 0 value. Now substitute that value, we get f dash z is equal to 2z plus 1 plus I into 0, that is 0. Now apply the integration. Integration of f dash z is a f of z and integration of 2z is in a z square by 2 get cancelled plus 1 integration of 1 what? Z plus integration constant. This is the construction of analytic function. Now comparing the answer with second method and also first method, we get the same value or same result. So this is the method of finding constructing the analytic function by given part. Now we move on to the next problem. Find the analytic function whose real part is u is equal to e to the power of 2x into x cos 2y minus y sin 2y. Here I use only the second part. Let us consider the given function. Differentiate given function with respect to x and y. Here differentiation of u with respect to x is ux is equal to, apply the product rule, first function into differentiation of second. Differentiation of second is x cos 2y. Among this cos 2y is in a constant, right, as it is. Differentiation of x 1 minus y sin 2y. The whole term is a y variable, therefore it is a constant. Its value differentiation is 0 plus. Now second function, what is the second function? X cos 2y minus y sin 2y into differentiation of first function e to the power of 2x. What is the differentiation of e power 2x? 2 times e power 2x. And differentiate u with respect to y. Here first function is constant, right, as it is. Differentiate only second function x. Differentiation of cos 2y is minus 2 sin 2y. Okay, differentiation of cos is minus sin, differentiation of 2y is 2. Minus, again here apply the product rule. Minus y into differentiation of sin 2y is cos 2y into 2. Minus differentiation of y is sin 2y. Here f of z is a analytic. Means f dash z exists. Its formula is f dash z is equal to ux plus I into vx. Here given part is u, therefore express v in terms of u by using the CR equation. Now substitute ux. What is ux? E to the power of 2x cos 2y plus 2. Here e to the power of 2x is a common function. We take outside. That's why we write cos 2y plus 2x cos 2y minus 2y sin 2y plus I into minus. Here also minus is common. Take outside e to the power of 2x. We get plus I into e to the power of 2x. 2x sin 2y plus 2y cos 2y plus sin 2y. By Milne-Thomson method, apply Milne-Thomson method. For the construction of analytic function, it is the easiest method because here we just put x by z and y by 0 to this equation. Then we get f dash z is equal to e to the power of 2z. X is nothing but z. Okay. E to the power of 2z cos, what is y value? Y value is in a 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus 2 into z into cos 0. That is 1 plus 2z minus 2 into 0. 0 into anything will be 0. Therefore we get minus 0. Plus I into e to the power of 2z. Here bracket function sin 0 is 0. 0 into anything will be 0 plus 0 plus 0. We get e to the power of 2z into 0. This term becomes 0. So remaining is 1 plus e to the power, 1 plus 2z into e to the power of 2z. Now apply the integration with respect to z. How to apply the integration? Here we have the UV rule, therefore we are applying the by parts rule. So here I am applying the result of the by parts rule, that is Bernoulli's rule. The integration of f dash is f of z is equal to, this is the first function, this is the second function. So apply the result of the by parts rule. First function, integration of second and alternative sign. Differentiation of first function, again integration of this function. See here 1 plus 2z is a first function, write as it is. Integration of e power 2z is e power 2z whole divided by 2 minus, now differentiate this one. First function is 1 plus 2z. Differentiate first function. Differentiation of 1 is 0 plus 2 into again integration of this one. Integration of e power 2z by 2 is e power 2z by 2 into 2 is 4 plus here positive, negative, again positive. It is comes in alternative sign. Now differentiation of 2 is in a 0. 0 into integration of this function. But here 0 into anything will be 0. Hence we stop the process. Now simplify. We get 1 plus 2z minus 1 e to the power of 2z by 2. Because 2 by 4 is in a 1 by 2. E power 2z by 2 is in a common function. Take outside. We get like that. The answer is 2z e to the power of 2z by 2. That is z into e to the power of 2z. This is the analytic function for the given part u. Now another problem. Find the analytic function whose real part is u 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square. Answer. Let us consider u is equal to log of x square plus y square divided by 2. Find the analytic function means we have to find out partial derivatives of u with respect to x and u with respect to y. So differentiate u with respect to x and y, we get 1 by 2. Differentiation of log is 1 by x square plus y square. Differentiation of bracket function is 2x. Simplify, we get x by x square plus y square. Again differentiate u with respect to y, we get the y divided by x square plus y square. Let f of z is analytic and differentiation is exists. Therefore its formula is ux plus I into vx. Here vx can be written as minus uy. Now substitute ux value and uy value, we get like that. Here denominator is same, then we get x minus iy whole divided by x square plus y square. Now apply Milne-Thomson method. By Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. In this case, we get f dash z is equal to z plus 0 whole divided by z square plus 0. That is z by z square. What is z by z square? 1 by z. Now apply the integration. Integrate with respect to z. Integration of f dash z is f of z and integration of 1 by z is log z plus c. This is the analytic function for the given function. Given part u is equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square. Now these are the exercise problems. Thank you.